Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a project from your account. Now you will have to have obviously added a project before you can delete one, and if you're unsure how to add a project, please check out one of our tutorial videos on how to do that. When you log into Raptor, you'll see the project screen that we've got in front of us here, and this will list all of the projects that you have within your account. On the right hand side, in each row for the projects, you'll see a bin icon, which if you hover over it will say delete project. Simply click this button and select the delete site option, and that will delete it from your account completely. Once that has been deleted, you will need to contact us by email if you want to restore that project. You won't be able to see any of the data that was included within that project unless it's restored, and so it's worth just making sure that you really do want to delete the project rather than just not use it for a while. So that's how to delete a project from our tools. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.